Welcome back to our channel, where we explore fascinating stories from around the world. In today's video, we dive into the captivating history of the Yakuza, the legendary Japanese mafia. Their story is one of complexity, secrecy, and a legacy that spans centuries. So, let's take a closer look at the captivating history of the Yakuza. The origins of the Yakuza can be traced back to the vibrant Edo period of Japan, which lasted from 1603 to 1868. This era witnessed remarkable social and political changes that gave rise to two distinct groups, the takiya and the bakudo. The takiya were itinerant peddlers and street vendors, while the bakudo were gamblers. Operating outside the rigid social hierarchies and laws of the time, they engaged in various illegal activities. As we move forward in time, we arrive at the Bakumatsu period, which occurred between 1853 and 1867. This period was marked by the arrival of Western powers and the eventual overthrow of the Tokugawa shogunate. With feudalism coming to an end and the Meiji Restoration beginning, many samurai found themselves stripped of their status and income. It was during this transitional period that these samurai turned to criminal activities, forming the foundation of what would eventually become the Yakuza. Following the Meiji Restoration, the Yakuza expanded their influence and became more organized. They provided protection to businesses, controlled gambling operations, and ventured into various criminal enterprises. During this time, the Yakuza developed their own unique code of conduct known as the Ninkyo Dantai, or chivalrous organizations. This code emphasized values such as loyalty, honor, and hierarchy, shaping the Yakuza's distinct identity. World War II brought significant changes to Japan, and the Yakuza played a significant role in the Japanese black market during this time. With the chaos and scarcity of resources, they profited from the nation's struggles. However, the Yakuza's activities were suppressed during the Allied occupation of Japan from 1945 to 1952. The occupying forces aimed to dismantle criminal organizations and rebuild the nation. The Yakuza was officially outlawed in 1946, but they continued to operate covertly. The post-war period in Japan brought rapid economic growth and urbanization, creating new opportunities for the Yakuza. They infiltrated legitimate industries such as construction, real estate, entertainment, and finance. Expanding their reach, they accumulated considerable wealth and influence, capitalizing on the nation's economic boom. However, in recent decades, the Yakuza has faced increased scrutiny and crackdowns from law enforcement agencies. Anti-organized crime laws, passed in the 1990s, aimed to sever their connections to mainstream society, weakening their influence. Moreover, the Yakuza's involvement in illicit activities such as drug trafficking, extortion, and human trafficking has fueled public outrage and led to stricter regulations. It's important to note that the Yakuza's history remains shrouded in secrecy, and obtaining accurate and detailed information can be challenging. Their story is one of complexity and ongoing evolution. Some aspects of their operations may still remain undisclosed to the public, hidden within the shadows of this enigmatic organization. That concludes our exploration of the captivating history of the Yakuza. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Let us know in the comments if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover. Thank you for watching, and until next time.